Okay, taxi it out, take it off. I don't know, I heard it too. Take it off.
Gear up, flaps up.
Okay.
I'm going to take off after landing.
Time remaining, 3 minutes.
That was a good landing. Oh! Damn. I'm going to taxi out and take off. I'll take off early. Yeah? Well, that's so much better. Taking off. That's not right. Shit. Go fast. We'll stay high.
Time remaining, 2 minutes.
Okay. There's lots of thermals out there. It's a thermal!
Oh, yeah,
Of course it does.
Oh, Jesus, Orsini. He landed with Joe at the end of the run.
Thermal. There's a thermal. It's the thermal going through. The pass from the lip. I see him. I'll go off it.
Do touch and go.
I see. Letty would have gone off to the side, but I won't.
Time remaining, 1 minute.
Yep. I'll do one right behind you, Keon. I'm doing one with you, Keon. Okay. I'm doing one with you. I'm doing one with you.
I'll be closer to us, right?
I'll be behind you, don't worry.
Flaps up, gear up.
That's so good.
Time
All right,
remaining,
kids, I'm taking off.
15 seconds.
Oh, 15 seconds.
That's just because of
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Gear down.
Okay, landing. I'm right here already, so. Got that head one, which is perfect for it.
Alright, you guys almost on the ground. I'm going to go down with you guys.
I'm good.
I know, I see it pretty high.
I'm closest to us, Keon. Yeah. You're okay. I'm way down there. Go ahead.
Flaps up.
Yeah, you're good.
It just flies so good.
It flies better than the Havoc. It's better than the Havoc.
Havoc's definitely like more sporty.
Okay, go ahead, Nate. Do what you want. We're clear.
It's more sportier.
You know, I plugged the
I wouldn't say
nav
that.
lights into a different board.
It's fast.
The free-wing board actually lowers the light.
Really?
Yeah, it's weird.
Not as bright?
No.
Doesn't it?
You can see my nabs.
Go.
That just looks funny on it.
You see my landing?
Uncle Bobby B, baby. Uncle Bobby B.